The Gada system is a traditional socio-political system practiced by the Oromo people of Ethiopia. It is a complex system of governance, social organization, and age grade classes that has been in existence for centuries. Key features of the Gada system include age grade classes. The Gada system is based on a cycle of 8-year age grades, known as Gada classes. Each Gada class progresses through different stages of social responsibility, from initiation to retirement. The classes are hierarchical, with specific rights and responsibilities assigned to each grade. Power rotation. One of the distinguishing features of the Gada system is the rotational nature of political power. Leadership positions, such as the Abba Gada and council members, are rotated among the different Gada classes. This ensures that power is shared and prevents the concentration of authority in a single individual or group. Democratic decision-making. The Gada system is known for its democratic decision-making processes. Decisions are made through discussions and consensus building among council members and elders. These discussions take place in the Gumai Assembly, where important matters related to the community are deliberated and decided. Social welfare and justice. The Gada system emphasizes social welfare and justice. It promotes communal ownership of resources, cooperation, and mutual support among community members. The system also has mechanisms for conflict resolution, including arbitration and reconciliation processes. Rituals and ceremonies. The Gada system is rich in rituals, ceremonies, and rites of passage. These ceremonies mark important stages in the Gada age grades, such as the initiation of young men into adulthood and the retirement of older Gada leaders. Rituals play a significant role in reinforcing social cohesion, transmitting cultural values, and maintaining the integrity of the Gada system. The Gada system has been recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity, highlighting its importance and unique contribution to the cultural diversity of Ethiopia and the Oromo people. It continues to be practiced and celebrated as a symbol of Oromo identity and heritage.